Hi, my name is Helen Sagumabaw. I'm 46 years old. I'm high school graduate in Catandones College in my province. I have three kids. The one is, she's 21. She is third year college. The one is 11. He is grade 5. The one is grade 4. My work experience in Saudi Arabia 2016 to 2025 this April. 2016 to 2020, I take care of the baby with the grandson of my employer. My main duty is cleaning, iron, wash, and cooking, and play the baby. After 2020 to 2025, the son of mama and daughter, she's decided I focus mama because mama she's sick, breast cancer, hypertension, sugar. My main duty for mama, change diaper like urine, poo. I share the room with mama, give the medicine for maintenance, and then give the meals like lunch, dinner, breakfast, and snacks. My main duty is cleaning, iron, wash, cooking. 9 years and 3 months, just only 1 year, just only one employer. Have a nice day. God bless. Thank you.